kids, welcome to my channel. Today we're going on exciting adventure to learn the sounds of the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! The alphabet has 26 letters and each one has its own unique sound. Let's start with the very first letter. A is for apple. Can you say A? B is for balloon. Can you say ba? C is for cat. Can you say ka? D is for dog. Can you say da? E is for elephant. Can you say e? F is for fan. Can you say G is for gum. Can you say ga? H is for hat. Can you say ha? E is for igloo. Can you say E? J is for jam. Can you say ja? K is for kangaroo. Can you say ka? L is for lion. Can you say oo? N is for monkey. Can you say E? N is for mat. Can you say E? O is for orange. Can you say A? P is for parrot. Can you say pa? Q is for quiet. Can you say qua? R is for rabbit. Can you say ra? S is for sun. Can you say T is for time. Can you say ta? U is for umbrella. Can you say a? Y is for yarn. Can you say ya? B is for violin. Can you say va? W is for water. Can you say wa? S is for xylophone. Can you say oh, it's your last letter. Letter Z is for zebra. Can you say E? Great job, everyone. You learned all the sounds of the alphabet. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Thank you for joining me on this alphabet sound adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For more videos, see you next time. Bye!